Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1.
Santa baby, just slip a staple under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
I'm currently on my way to get my nails done, so I'll see you all once I get there. But yeah, I can't wait for Vlogmas. Stay tuned. As you saw in the clip before, I got my nails done. If you're in the New Orleans area, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to click on it and go book and get you a set. Period. So today, we're going to set up a Christmas tree. I got this Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby. It was originally $7.99, but on sale for $4, half off. Period. We love a good sale. I also have some ornaments, some pink ornaments. Look how cute. Y'all like? I like to. I bought these string lights from Dollar Tree, and it's 6 lights on a string. We're gonna see if they work and how cute they are. Also, I bought a tree skirt. Look how cute. Look how cute. This also came from Five and Below with the ornaments, and everything was half off. So let's finish decorating. So guys, these lighter pink balls, they are the lights that are on the tree, and it came with like a little switch button, and you have to put AA batteries in it. So we're gonna put that and hide that up under the skirt. Let's see. Let's fix this. Get the tree skirt. And let's see what we have. This is a cute little skirt. Look how cute. So guys, here's the finishing look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I post more videos.